says record inside.
Well, when you said the big one, then there's 3 bases there, and there's one here.
And then
that little rock over there. That's cool, the big 25-meter horse.
Okay, basically, we're going to be safe on top of the roof, okay?
Right.
Because what's going to happen is, we do have some stuff. Basically, what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and
that way.
generate everything over in this.
So this would be possible.
It's possible you could have a small piece that comes over to visit you.
Right.
When you're looking through a camera, you don't see everything. So the safest place is like where that guy is up on the roof.
I wonder how we got up there.
Don't know. How'd you get on the roof?
Must be something behind.
Can he take his camera up there? Okay, there you go. Good, thanks. About.
Holy smokes.
That was impressive, eh? I'm surprised they didn't break any windows.
That was exciting.
Yeah, it was.
What did it get you?
It was. never broke a single window.
Now where my camera is. How's yours?
Mine's good.
looks like the windows are secured right through there.
When I snapped off the second one. When it first went off, I saw it.
Yeah. Actually, I'll probably get some vibration.
He can let loose, he can figure out how to get it off. They're stuck to each other, they're glaring at each other.